Well, you know what that means. It's cleaning time. I guess we'll start in here since it's the biggest, grossest pile of stuff. Clean all this out, get the big stuff out, and then get the vacuum in here and see what we find. And of course I'm wearing gloves because I'm not taking a chance of touching something gross. All right. Some kind of RCA jacks or something. Bring a vacuum in here and get the rest of the small stuff out. Well, that's a lot nicer. Still a little more vacuuming to do. I got all the papers out of there, so that'll make that a little bit that's left go quickly. Gotta get that side still over there. Got the glove box cleaned out. Looks like most of it just kind of fell out. But found a couple weird Motorcraft, I don't know if those were cut out of boxes, what that was. Some spark plugs, a pen, a pencil, a gasket. Just all trash. Nothing great. Nothing except for a couple pull tabs. That's the passenger side all cleaned out. Got everything underneath the seat. Almost everything underneath the gas tank. Found some loose change and a nice big mouse trap. Now I get to go over to the driver's side. I just found, I guess across here, some paperwork. It's a little windy out here, so I'll try to open this without losing it. Looks like on 11/3 of 79, vehicle was sold by Nelson Construction in Wapaka. Let's see, Chevy 64. That's That corner's all gone, but signed by Richard Bartiromo? I have no idea. Purchase price was $50. I paid a little more than that. Plus tax, $14. Trading allowance, $350. 3,500? I don't know what that's supposed to be. But this part's missing up here where the date is. If it was sold, trees touching my back. If it was sold in 79, let's see. Yeah, there's nothing else on this paper. Just gonna get a printed name up here. All folded in the corner. There we go. Oh, of course, it's missing. So we got Richard B. Route 1, Ogden's. We got P.O. Box 229, Ogdensburg, Wisconsin 54962. Date of sale, I'm guessing that is 11/3/79. There's the VIN, Chevy 64. Cool. Got something. Better than nothing. You're not going to believe what I just found in the truck. Brand new. Never used. Never been out of the package. 1986 registration stickers. In that envelope right there. All right, driver's side, clean, except for the pieces of floor that are ready to come out. Found a couple of things under the seat. Some kind of medicine bottle, I'm guessing. And yeah, you can guess what that is. Ew. Well, it's not all good, but it's not all bad either. I mean, we still have a transmission tunnel, but the rest of the floor isn't much of a floor anymore. Front cab mounts are pretty much gone. This one's still got a little bit hanging on there, but I mean, I'm not gonna fall through. The frame's right there. You'll be fine. This wouldn't take any long trips if it even runs. Speaking of running, let's not attempt that today. Let's just go get the other truck cleaned out. Yay, it's probably worse. Oh boy. Here we go again. At least this one's not as bad. What was that over there? Is that a license plate? No. I don't know what that is. Let's get all this junk out of here. Door number 2 came open pretty easy on truck number 2. Did find another hubcap. A little more paint left on it than the other 2. I got 3 matching hubcaps. This off of is that a Cadillac? Sure is. That with the AMC hubcap that we found last time. There's the vent window latch. It's broken off of there. Save that. Box 22 shells with nothing in it, unfortunately. And some garbage in the glove box. Looks like it's been cleaned out pretty much. And the floor, I'm guessing, is just as good as the other truck, if not a little better, judging by the bigger holes behind the cab. Get a nasty towel out of here. I'm sure that was keeping some of the wind out of the passenger's ankles. Some nice rope. Not nice rope. Oh, there's the antenna cable for the radio this thing had. Tuck that up out of the way for now. Or not, let's leave it dangle. Get rid of that. Package of washers or something. I'm sure it's all nothing important, but don't want to go to the vacuum if I don't have to let it, so that can get sucked out. Foam padding. See, this one's got more floor than the other truck. Just barely. Still no cab mount in the front. It's gone. Bolt's still there. Not sure what that's for. Random wiring, probably for the radio, some glass. Some kind of bone. Some kind of bone. Anything else buried back here? Just rust. Okay. Fun. Let's get the... Now the floor in the 65 isn't as bad. It's got more tow board and firewall and more passenger side floor than the 64. But still needs cab mount, still needs a floor. The rear mounts, I don't think are doing much on this truck. I can lift the whole cab off the frame pretty much. So definitely need to start saving what I can off of this one and scrapping the rest. Although I do like the roof on this one more. There's no hole up here yet. The other one's got a nice hole across the header of the windshield. Decisions. I do like this floor though. This is like somewhat solid actually. On this side of the cab, I don't know, maybe it's just holding on because the tires are flat on that side. Seat's nicer though, that's for sure. Except for that little bit over there. No paperwork though. I didn't see anything in this one. No papers, no newspapers, no registration information. I did suck something up in the vacuum, so I'm going to check that out and see what that was. Now that that's gone, looks like it was hit or hit something in the rear, which bent the frame up, ripped out the overload spring, pushed the axle forward, ripped the panhard bar out, ripped the spring out, and ripped the cross member for the shock mount. So that's this frame. It's good from like there forward if I pull that cross member out and replace it. Which sucks because the rest of the frame is good. Just needs some new bed metal. Looks like the bed hit here too. Nice little dinger in the cab. Oh boy. This side's still great. I forgot to record an outro, so kind of just left off with cleaning out the rest of the engine bay of the 64 in preparation for seeing if I can get that thing to turn over and possibly run. So that'll be the next video. Be working on that soon. So follow along. We'll see if that engine's got any left. So follow along. We'll see if that engine's got anything left in it, and if not, I got other plans for that truck. So we'll see what happens.